A for ant, ant meaning 20. B for bat meaning चमगादड़. C for cup mean प्याला. D for door mean दरवाजा. E for elephant meaning हाथी. F for football mean football. G for goat meaning बकरी. H for horse meaning घोड़ा. I for insect meaning अशराद. J for jelly mean jelly. K for kite mean पतंग. L for leaf mean पत्ता. M for milk mean दूध. N for necklace mean हार. O for oil mean उल्लू. P for potato mean आलू. Q for cold mean रजाई. R for rose mean गुलाब का फूल. S for snake mean सांप. T for tree mean दरख्त. U for umpire mean referee. V for wheel mean नकाब. W for wolf mean भेड़िया. X for x-ray mean x-ray. Y for yak mean जंगली बैल. Z for zoo mean चिड़ियाघर.